ES44DC and an ES44AC. East Coast train from Florida, it looks like. Domestic stacked train, maybe a Z train, we'll see. On main track number 2 westbound, we're at milepost 63 on the Cajon subdivision, Southern California, USA BNSF tracks. Z train westbound. Typically run about 100 cars on these. We know you like that. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. We appreciate all your support. We're going for 9,000 subscribers now. Be there pretty soon. All right, thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's see what Buddy's got coming next. Somebody's sleeping on the job here. What's up next, bud? Don't bother you? Okay, boss. Alright, love you guys. Catch you soon.